Hi students and friends. Today I am going to discuss simple trick 1 in general organic chemistry. In a single click we have learned nearly 30 bits in very short time. And also we know the comparison of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Let us start our session. You know organic compounds. Organic compounds can be classified into so many classes. One of the class is acyclic or aliphatic compound. This acyclic compounds or this acyclic hydrocarbons divide into two major classes. One is saturated hydrocarbons, another one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Here saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes and alkynes. Here we discuss some of the bits. So first of all we discuss general formula of alkanes CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n plus 2, whereas alkenes CnH2n, whereas alkynes CnH2n minus 2. Here n is the 1 2 3 4 like that. Here n is equal to 1, that is called C1H4. So this is called methane. In the case of Cn is equal to 2, n is equal to 1 is not exacted, n is equal to 2, C2H4. This is called ethylene molecule. So here, so we will get C2H2. So this is called acetylene molecule. See the next one is number of pi bond calculation. In alkane compounds, the number of pi bonds is 0, whereas in the case of alkenes, 1 pi bond is present in this molecule, whereas alkynes 2 pi bonds. See the next one is hybridization. Hybridization. What hybridization present in alkanes is? In alkanes, the hybridization is sp3. The carbon hybridization is sp3, whereas alkenes sp2, whereas alkynes sp hybridization takes place. Next one is shape. What is the shape of alkenes? The shape of alkene is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. The shape of alkene is, we can write represent like this. See the tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. Whereas alkenes is trigonal planar shape. Simply planar shape. You know planar shape. This is the planar shape. So this is called planar shape. Whereas in linear compound, alkynes is linear shape. What is shape is linear. So this is called linear. So this is called linear shape. Next we will discuss the bond angle. Next one is bond angle. What is the bond angle in alkane compound? In alkane compound the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes, whereas alkenes 120 degrees, whereas alkynes 180 degrees bond angle. We have see the, this is the bond angle. See the bond angle in alkenes is 120. See the, this is called 180 degrees in alkynes. Next one is bond length. Next one is bond length. What is the bond length? Which bond length is this? CC bond length we have knowing here. The CC bond length in alkanes is 1.54 angstrom units, whereas in alkenes 1.34 angstrom units. In the case of alkynes is 1.20 angstrom units. The next one is bond order of C bond C. Next one is bond order. What is the bond order? Bond order is the number of bonds present in the carbons is called a bond order. Here the bond order of alkane is 1, C bond order 1, whereas in alkanes 2, alkynes is 3. See the next one is the S character. the S character of alkane is, the S character is 25%. Why? Because S and sp3, no, so the 4 orbitals, 1s and 3p, total 4 orbitals, 100 by 4 is equal to 25%, whereas in 100 by 3, 1s and 2p, so 100 by 3 is called 33%. S character is present in alkenes, whereas alkynes 50% of S character is present. Next we will discuss the electronegativity. What is that? Electronegativity. En, that is called, simply represent En, electronegativity. So electronegativity, how can we explain the electronegativity? Here it can be explained by S character. See, the S character increases, so the electronegativity increases. See this, the S character more in the case of alkynes, so the electronegativity alkyne is more when compared with alkenes and alkanes. Finally we will discuss the bond energy. So the bond energy, also we can explain very easily. Bond energy is equal to Be directly proportional to bond order. So the bond energy, generally the bond order highest in alkyne, so the bond energy is more in alkynes, then alkenes, finally alkanes. So these are the very useful bits in general organic chemistry. These are very useful to you for exams. So thank you very much.